Oh, yeah! Check this out, guys. This is the only one of its kind in Thailand with an original chassis. 6 million baht, it's got a 380 in it, fully restored. Oh, geez. So I've got no cars to sell at the moment, and I've just been selling Expats cars, and the last one was the Honda City that a friend bought it down, or a subscriber from Karat. And I've got nothing to sell at the moment, so I thought I'd come down and see what Alex has got at PP Autosports. I'm leaving my D-Max here, and I'll tell you why soon. A lot of people say, why do you keep coming down to PP Autosports? Well, over the last 3 years, Alex, the owner, has helped out a lot of you viewers and really looked after you, a lot of happy customers. And he just looks after people, and he's got genuinely good cars. So let's have a look and see what he's got, and I'll tell you what I think and what I might potentially buy if I sell the D-Max. So this was an interesting car in Australia. The Nissan was the highly anticipated new release of the Nissan Pulsar. This is a 2013 1.6 VL, which I think is the top of the line. So it's got nice leather, quite a nice interior, to be honest. It's done 168,000 Ks, but it's 195,000 baht. He's reduced it from 245. They've got a CVT, but for a white, small-ish Corolla-sized hatch, and yes, I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of the Nissan CVTs. They have been known to give problems if not looked after and maintained. It's got a lot of paperwork in it. I think they're all receipts. They are receipts. And I've said it 1,000 times, Facebook Marketplace is just a joke. Private sellers, but they're not, they're dealers. And agents working for dealers, dodgy speedo readings, no service books, the list goes on. I'm always on the lookout, and I'm just frustrated with it all, like seriously frustrated. Anyway, not bad, but if you're looking for something like that, I'm not turning you off it. It's got good gear tyres on it. I'd look probably more at a Honda Jazz or a Honda HR-V, but they're much more money. So if you're on a budget, that Nissan Pulsar isn't bad. But Honda, seriously, I tried to buy a Honda HR-V the other night, and it was a genuine private sale, like finding a needle in a haystack. 2016. Look, they've all got high Ks. 151,602 Ks. People do a lot of driving in Thailand. This model's got cruise. CVT, but Honda's got a good CVT. There's no issues with Honda CVTs. Books. Keyless. Corollas are good, but they've got CVTs too, and they're okay. So Honda and Toyota, and probably Subaru, I'd have to say, based on my experience working for car manufacturers all my life, including Nissan for 3 years as a business development manager, and Honda as an area manager, have probably got the best CVTs. Well, what about a Prius hybrid? I don't see a lot of these. Crikey. So it's a 2011 Prius, 217,000 K. Does that really matter on a hybrid? I don't know, probably. Battery, 240,000 baht. Seems alright. Fairly clean. I'll be honest, I don't know much about Priuses. I've been in them as taxis in Australia. Cheap little hybrid. He's got some nice little Euros. I'm a bit of a fan of these A-Class, especially the 250. They fly. (2015) A180. Boom, boom, boom. 121,849. 480,000 baht. With 122 horsepower. Anyway, if you want a little Euro hatch, because I know a lot of you Germans out there and Europeans like your Benzes, I do too. But would I own one in Thailand as an everyday driver? Don't know. I've sold a couple of classics for John, as you know. And it's an CLA 250. CLA 250 2013. 107,000 kilometres. 580,000 baht. You get a nice squared off steering wheel. This has got the AMG styling with the wheels and a bit of a body kit and the squared off steering wheel. So there's a couple of reasonably priced Euros. Honda Civic, that's another cracking car. Can't go wrong. I'm not here to, you know me, if I don't like it, I'll say so. 2018 Honda Civic EL, top of the range. Boom, boom, boom. 133, 325 kilometres. 499,000 baht. Amazing. So, a lot of the cars that I inquire about in Bangkok on Marketplace, they don't have the owner's handbooks. Anyway, on the record. Bulletproof these things, look, electric seats. Cruise, got all the bits and pieces, but it's an older one, 2009. 173,000 Ks, 225,000 baht. Good comfortable car, gets you to golf. Couple of road trips. Not bad. And the dearest car he's got, well, the most expensive, it's this E200. 1.85 million baht. Excuse me, Alex. So this is a local car, Primus. E200. Love my Mercedes. Yeah, if I had the money, I'd probably buy one. Don't know whether it'd be one of these. 1,850,000 baht. It's even done 102,000 Ks. 2021. 200 horsepower. And our D-Max. So I've left it here because a lot of you wanted to come and look but couldn't get to Bang Sarai, and I couldn't get it to you. And I just thought, well, here's easy for everyone to come and look at it. So you can come and look at it here. 2016 Z Prestige Auto, 2 keys, history, books. You can isolate the rear aircon there. This thing drives exceptionally well. Sue and I have driven it to Petchaberry and Kanchanaburi, and it was absolutely superb and great on fuel. Anyway, we need something else. Long story, but it's good for someone. Canopy integrates with the central locking. This is all fully trimmed. Of course, you can take the canopy off. These come out. But if you're a golfer or you're traveling, you can put your luggage in the back and at least it doesn't get wet or hot. Alright, it's here. And all these other cars you can come and check out with Alex. Well, there's a range of cars that I'd look at or consider. And if you've got something to sell, we might be able to buy it off you. I've got an investor, can sell it, or I can sell it for you on consignment for a fee and store it for you and all that sort of stuff. Get it prepped and ready for sale. Happy to do all that kind of thing. Buy it. I would take them off. I hate them. Even though it's done its job, you can see all the fine scratches from people with rings, cup protectors, door cup protectors, but I just hate the look of them. You just get a hairdryer, warm them up, get a trim tool, pry it off. Easy. And then you've got the job of removing the double-sided tape. Ugh, it's not fun. But I can do it. So this is an EL 1.8 2018. 128,000 Ks. 450,000 baht. Paddle shifters. Cruise. Nice interior on these. Pajero Sport. 7-seater. 2016. Smells of real leather too, this car, by the way. 185,179 Ks. 181 horsepower, 2.4 diesel. 650,000 baht. Plenty of room. Plenty of room for 5 adults. And luggage. You want to know where we are? You know where the new Porsche dealership is? That's 2 doors up. Jomtien Second Road's just there. The Tiger Park's here somewhere. And the Pattaya Floating Market. So if you want to come down and check out any cars, drop me a message online or an email. I can always meet you here and help you with the translation. But the advantage of buying from Alex is that he takes care of the transfer. You've just got to supply him your residency certificate if you're putting it in your name. You don't need a residency certificate, pardon me, if you're putting it in your Thai girlfriend's name. A couple of signed copies of your passport, visa, original entry stamp, and he'll take care of it. So, there you go. Come and check out my D-Max. Awesome car. See you soon. Oh, what do you want to see more of? Or if you've got anything for sale, let me know. I've got people hounding me daily. Jason, what cars you got? Jason, what cars you got? I've got a budget of 200. I've got 300. I've got nothing to help you with.